Remove the screws. Use a plastic opening tool to open the casing.
Looking for parts and tools? Links in description.
Remove the metal cover. Unplug the battery. Remove left Joy-Con board cable first. Remove the heatsink screws. Now, let's remove the fan. With a plastic tool, unplug the antenna cables. With the same tool, proceed to unplug the game card reader flex cable. Continue removing the screws holding the motherboard in place. To remove the game card reader, you need to remove these screws.
For a replacement game card reader, check the links in the description.
Continue by removing the R1 and R2 buttons. Using a plastic tool, remove the screen ribbon cables. Get the speaker out of the way. Behold, the logic board. Remove these two screws to take out the Joy-Con.
For replacement Joy-Cons, check the links in the description.
Install new Joy-Con. Reinstall the motherboard carefully. Do not damage the ribbon cables. This ribbon is a pain in the neck. Use a plastic pry tool to push it into place. As a courtesy to customers, I apply new thermal paste. Clean old thermal paste off. Add the trigger button back. Use pry tool to compress the spring and put it in place. Slide the game card reader cable back in place and secure the clip.
Arctic MX4 thermal paste, check the links in the description.
Apply thermal paste evenly to the heatsink. Screw the heatsink back into place. Plug in the left Joy-Con board cable and battery back in. Battery first. After testing, continue to put it back together.